Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we are at the scrapyard. We got a few things to get off before we head to the landfill. Starting with this freezer. Everybody, 1820, $130 in that ton. We had 280 pounds, and James is going to be very happy that we got rid of that freezer because he's tired of working around it. So not too shabby. Let's go meet up with James and empty out this load. Looks like somebody replaced that. James, you are my favorite trash man. James.
And I know, hold on. Are you keeping that?
Yeah.
Oh, never mind. I was going to smash it.
I knew you were going to smash, you smasher. Keeping this so don't, yeah.
Keeping the shot back?
Keeping the shot back. Need help?
Watch your hand. Just watch out. Look out. All the goes.
All right. That was actually a decent piece of furniture at one time. In the truck here, and I opened this up, and they're like, oh yeah, we put that in the truck. Oh, it is missing a key. Yeah, the guys found this down in the basement, didn't even tell me. Damn. What do you say, 2012?
I think it's a 2012 is what I
2012. Dang.
Front, so you'd have it to look at and decide what you want to do.
Very nice.
Rid of this today and I get my joy.
Oh, you busted it on the edge.
The wind's against me.
Oh, jeez, Mary. Oh, geez, that's really light. So that's a lot lighter than I thought it'd be.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is not gonna fit. Woo! Can we throw? What'd you do?
Hit my tear on my ankle.
Oh no, James! Just see the nice copper we got there?
Packing or covering it and just covering it with a sock.
So we want to cut that up, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Should be nice and sharp.
Yep.
Cut it. Can you cut it right down the middle?
Oh my gosh. These are heavy. Huh?
Rock or something. Salt.
Salt. It doesn't even look like copper, does it? I'm sure it is, though. All right, this should be it here, folks. All right, let's see here. Right behind you. The downhill run here, folks.
Here, move all together.
All right, James is gonna manhandle it. The bear. I'll start calling you the bear. Call you the grizzly.
Okay, come wherever you want. It's not late for Sunday dinner.
Sunday dinner.
That's a good dinner, ain't it? What's coming up anyways? It's all metal.
All metal. Jeez, really? Yeah, I'll drop it off at the property. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the garage. Today is the day we've been waiting for. We're going to clean out this garage, find some treasures. But let's get going. Mine.
Okay.
Same.
Sure.
Junk. 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 Fishing weights. We got ourselves there's a handle set. These old nippers. Is that you?
Hello? Working with Shane, can't you hear?
Huh. Okay, manuals. Yeah, farmer.
You want those?
Yep.
Over here.
All right, yep.
Got one box.
Beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Good.
The edge of your box is cool.
Cubit beanie holder, beanie box holder.
Some fishing stuff in there.
But not yours?
Yep. Jigsaw blades.
You want that?
Heck yeah.
What about this guy?
Ooh, fish, yeah, put it in there. Soldering kit. I'll just put it in the, yeah, put it in the bag.
Yep, I got you.
How about some 22 long shot?
Whoa, 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 don't throw those away.
I'm not. Oh, look at this, it's a bayonet.
What is it?
A bayonet.
What's that do?
It goes on the end of a rifle.
Oh,
When you stab your
Oh, I got you, the old school thing.
old school thing, yeah.
Yep.
got Arrow electric stapler. Always need a pry bar. Sure. What do you think? Ooh, it's a tap set. Tap and die. That is a fire extinguisher made out of copper or
It's
brass.
an old school one?
Yep.
Holy. But now you got the squeeze handles.
Right?
So it's like, okay.
Oh my goodness, lots of polyurethane.
This,
How
the hell is this even?
So this is your gas tank.
Okay.
And then this is...
You that's the pole, and then there's got to be oil somewhere too. Oh, she's frozen.
No, she's froze up.
Yeah, never mind.
Cash box. Save that for the garage sale.
You get money in there?
Nope. Ooh, look at that one. Ooh. I will keep these. Can always use light bulbs, right? Ratchets. Ooh, hello. We got a sander, another drill, saw,
What kind of drill is that?
some miscellaneous.
Oh, old school. Gotcha.
Ooh, wrenches. Look at that, Dad. 11/16. What? So my dad helped the guy next door. My dad fixes up trucks. He's not a really good mechanic, but he's a mechanic. Borrowed my dad's 11/16 wrench.
Never got that.
Never got it back, and he thinks that every time he turns on, he can hear it bouncing around this guy's engine. So he's like, if you ever find an 11/16,
There you go. You got it.
done. Mission accomplished.
So Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's, all that stuff.
All right. Ooh, rat nest. Some rusty vice grips. I think I will pass on all that. Nothing in the Bosch?
No.
Dang it.
Trying to make sure I don't lose the box. Easier to know.
Nice piece of copper. Saw. Ooh. Nope, it's empty. Okay, rubber bands. More torch stuff, wood glue. Pipe cutters. Crescent.
Oh!
Uh-oh.
There you go. Never been open.
Ooh, value pack of
Perps.
straps. Very nice. I bet it's a hairdryer. What do you think? No, it's not. Ugh. Ugh. Want these. Level. Another saw. Square. Nice clamps. Uh-oh, could we be lucky? Nope.
Could be.
A cord. Nice little level in a bag. Another crescent wrench. We need more fishing poles.
Any of them good?
You tell me.
Nope, never mind.
He just takes a quick look at him. Nope, never mind.
Never mind.
Yeah. There's some big bolts. I like big bolts and I cannot lie. Sorry, what?
Some antifreeze?
No, you know how to make antifreeze?
I don't know how to make it.
Take away your nightgown. Aha, Looney Tunes. Bugs Bunny.
Hey, Pinhead, do you know how to make antifreeze? Yeah, hide a nightgown.
No?
Never mind. Let's do this.
All right, everybody, that is going to wrap this one up. I think I'm going to have a garage sale down at the property to help get rid of all these things that I've been picking up lately. And I think these tools will sell really well. But hey, I want to thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for being a part of this channel. Take care of yourselves. Be safe out there this week, and we will see you at the next clean out. Thanks so much. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.